Hi, how are you? My name is Rael Petit. Today I'm in partnership with LG, so I'll be doing a sour cocktail with a little bit of flair on it, where I change the drink a little bit by adding some fresh bitters on top. We're gonna use some egg white. So take a whole egg, crack it, take all the egg white inside it. So you have to turn around a little bit, back and forth with the yolk. Okay. And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounce of Beefeater Gin. Half an ounce of grapefruit cordial. Half an ounce of simple syrup. And then 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. It will help out emulsifying the cocktail and give it a nice frost. So, since it's an egg white drink, we're gonna start by emulsifying the egg by dry shaking it. And now comes the fun part. We're gonna add 2 Clarify Sphere made by LG, which is great to shake a cocktail. So we're gonna basically break down the ice and give us enough water in there to do the cocktail and dilute it properly. I'm gonna put one of our LG craft ice inside of a coupe and pour on top of the drink. And here's the LG sour. Cheers.